Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 25H2 update KB5095093 for the June release. This cumulative update for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2 KB5095093 includes production quality improvements. This is the C release, or the feature update for the month of June. This is a pretty big update that also brings in the new low latency profile or the performance improvements inside the main release of Windows 11. So I think that is great news that Microsoft has added that really fast, in my opinion. In this video, we are talking about the build code 26200.8737 or build KB5095093. So let's begin with the video. First of all, if you want to receive this update, click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Here, make sure that you check Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Here you can see that latest update 2026-06-preview update KB5095093 installed and need to restart to get it effect. For you, if it's not showing, click on Check for updates to receive the update. Then click on Download and Install to install. Once the installation is completed, click on Restart Now to restart computer. Computer is restarted now. Now let's see the update history. Here you can see that the update 2026-06-preview update KB5095093 is installed successfully. There is some announcements and messages about this update from Microsoft. Firstly, about Windows Secure Boot certificate expiration. This is very important. Secure boot certificates used by most Windows devices are set to expire starting in June 2026. Microsoft has been updating these certificates on consumer and non-managed business devices over the past several months. Devices that haven't received the newer certificates will continue to start and operate normally, and standard Windows updates will continue to install. Updated certificates will continue to be delivered through Windows Update in the coming months. Next, redesigned Start menu availability. The redesigned Start menu is available on commercial and managed Windows devices. For an overview of the feature, see Configure the Start menu. IT administrators can use new customization policies, hide category view, and configure start pins. Next, end of service. Windows 11 version 24H2 Home and Pro editions will reach end of updates on October 13, 2026. Devices running these editions will no longer receive fixes for known issues, time zone updates, technical support, and monthly security and preview updates containing protections from the latest security threats. Enterprise and Education editions remain supported until October 12, 2027. To stay protected and up to date, we recommend you upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11. Now, let's check what all are the new features with this update. First, Point-in-Time Restore for Windows. This flexible recovery feature helps you quickly roll back your PC, including apps, settings, and personal files, to a recent automatic restore point. It helps reduce downtime and simplifies troubleshooting when issues occur. Next, in Windows Update. A calendar experience in Windows Update Settings, Settings.Windows Update lets you pause updates by choosing an end date for up to 35 days. You can extend the pause by selecting a different end date and re-pause updates as needed. Next, in Widgets. A quieter, more focused widgets experience helps reduce interruptions and improves default settings and notification controls. Widgets no longer open on hover. Notifications and taskbar badges are minimized by default. Open to the Widgets dashboard by default on first use. Configure widgets how you want by selecting Settings in the navigation bar, then changing any of the default settings. Dashboard icons show the number of alerts, and badges clear automatically when you leave a dashboard. Some default settings are preserved based on usage, while others adjust to reduce interruptions. This update provides improved reliability, responsiveness, and visual quality across the widget experience. Next, in accessibility. This update makes your screen easier to see and customizes your zoom experience. In the screen tint, apply a full-screen color overlay to help reduce eye strain and improve readability. Choose from preset tint options, adjust the intensity, or turn it on automatically. In the magnifier, enter a zoom percentage directly and change it in increments in the magnifier window for more precise, flexible control. In the magnifier settings menu, you can now also modify zoom increments directly from the magnifier bar instead of navigating to Windows settings each time. Next, in File Explorer. When you hover over a file in File Explorer Home, commands such as Open File Location and Ask Copilot appear as quick actions. This experience is now supported for work and school accounts. Also, this update improves the speed and performance of File Explorer launch. Also, this update improves File Explorer responsiveness when mounting disk images. Next, in Bluetooth. This update improves reliability and performance when connecting to and using Bluetooth devices. Windows now keeps the microphone mute state in sync between the audio mixer and the hands-free profile, HFP, for a more consistent experience with Bluetooth headphones with mute buttons or indicators. Next, in printing. New printer installations use Internet Printing Protocol (IPP) by default when supported, simplifying setup and improving reliability. To control this behavior, use the toggle in. And now, if you're facing any issue for installing this update, you can manually install it from Microsoft Update Catalog page. For that, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Update Catalog page, and search for KB5095093 here, and you're going to find these updates that Microsoft has released. Of course, make sure you get the versions for you, which is the 64 version with build 26200 for 25H2 and 26010 for 24H2. You also have the ARM64 versions if you want to install them if you have, of course, an ARM64 PC. So, this is all about latest emergency update for Windows 11 25H2. This is basically everything. This is the biggest Windows 11 25H2 June 2026 update, the feature update, which brings in quite a few new interesting things, and you can safely install this update because the known issue simply affects the install process. If you manage to successfully install it, you shouldn't have any issues with this update. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.